Did you know that ChatGPT can answer all the questions you needed? Let's start. I will show you how. On your browser, type in openai.com. And then you scroll down to the features and choose ChatGPT. Once you're already in this interface, you can now ask some questions like, what is artificial intelligence? Just wait for a few seconds and your question will be answered. You can also talk to them just like a person. Let's ask AI to tell us a joke. Interesting application, isn't it? It's like you can tell them everything. Let's try a little bit more. How to create a chatbot for business using ChatGPT. This chatbot can provide all the information you want. So you're wondering what is the difference of Google and ChatGPT? Let's ask AI about it. Let's try to say thank you. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.